Morning in a bamboo forest. The animals look busy and rushed. Panda sits peacefully, chewing on bamboo. Squirrel, confused. Panda, why are you always so calm? There's so much to do. Panda smiling, because I know when to be still and when to act. It suddenly starts to rain. The animals panic and scramble for shelter. Panda remains calm under a thick tree. Staying calm keeps him steady when things suddenly change. After the rain, Panda helps the squirrel dry off her belongings. Squirrel, I want to be like you, calm and gentle. Panda, the key is breathe, feel the earth, and do what you can. Sunset, Panda and the squirrel sit side by side, enjoying the peaceful forest. In a rushing world, calmness is a hidden strength. Moral of the story: calmness isn't weakness, it is deep wisdom.